All right. I'm just gonna give couple test shots.
No problem.
Did you see that flash?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold this. Pull it out a little bit.
Down?
Out.
Oh, out.
You can hold it like that with the on the.
Oh, like that?
Yeah. So. Point at me with your hand. Yes, perfect. One more like that. Even more than this gazebo, I think I actually like this path, like you're on a journey. So
like walking up and you take the bag?
Maybe you can just walk back down towards me. Yeah. Okay. Yes.
Go back and do another one?
Yeah. So that was good. Let me show you. Only thing is like, don't look at me.
Okay.
Yeah. Let me see. I'm trying to see where you can see that.
Okay, cool. Gotcha. So just do my regular walk.
It's regular walk.
Okay. You ready?
Yes. Look past me. All right, one more time. Okay. All right. Yeah. Look at me. Like you're leaning back, like lean up. No, lean up.
Oh, lean up?
Yeah. Whoa. Good catch. Look at me. Look past me. There you go. Try to get these fall leaves behind you. Oh, finally a smile. Stand up there. Let's see if we can. Well, we can. Yeah.
Good. Come on. Okay.
All right, look at me. So I just think it's gonna be the best shot. Get all of you. All right, I'm gonna get a headshot. Pull your thing up on that side. There you go. Perfect. Look this way. Tilt your head over a little bit.
Like this.
Yeah. This is a good shot too.
Can I take one like walking and you get behind me like the purple colors and stuff?
Yeah, yeah. Let's see. You
We
wanna
can do like on a stairs, I guess.
walking up the stairs?
Like, yeah, we can do like one when I'm moving on some stairs. It doesn't have to be this one, it can be any step. Yeah, because we have steps down here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we can just go there now.
Okay.
One
Okay.
walking back up.
All right, take one slow step. Go. All right, one of them got to work. Okay,